here I am, once again, coming to TikTok to ask my fellow educators if they are also experiencing this. I've noticed in the last year and some change, the normalcy in accepting zeros from my students. I am talking about how normal it is to students to just not do the work, not do anything, and then take a 0 as a grade. To me, that's insane. I would have never done that in high school for several reasons. One of them being my parents would have addressed it. But I'm also like, why? Why are you okay with getting that? At least in my school, and I'm curious if other schools have a similar late policy, we have in my opinion, a very generous late policy. So it's a 3-day late policy. On the first day that a student submits late, they get 10 points taken off. The second day, 20 points. The third day, 30 points. After that third day, if a student submits late work, it's kind of just up to the teacher's discretion on whether or not they want to accept the work. But typically when a teacher does accept work after those 3 days, they normally only give up to 50% of that grade, which I think is fair. However, I have so many students that are aware of the late policy. They know the grace that they are given, and they still choose to take a 0 over a potential 70. How does that make sense? Teachers, please let me know, are you also experiencing this? Because I don't know, I am baffled by this.